When the photo positioning is finished, click Apply in the bottom right corner to save the block. Click Settings on the top menu bar to bring up the engine settings window. There are two paths that need to be specified for the engine setting: the task directory and the local engine directory. Just make sure the two paths are the same to start the engine. Click Start Local Engine to bring up the engine screen. The engine status is waiting when no tasks have been submitted. Engine-specific information can be viewed in the engine window. Once the engine setting is complete, you can click Submit At. If you do not fill in the sensor parameters and focal length information, a prompt box will pop up. Select Fill to fill in the camera information. Fill in the correct sensor parameters and focal length information according to the camera model. Note, there is a difference between the focal length of the lower view lens and the focal length of the side view lens. Please fill in correctly. Once the camera information is filled in, continue back to the general view and click Submit to bring up the settings window. Click Submit. Aerial triangulation is submitted, calculations pending. At the end of aerial triangulation, the generated point cloud model can be viewed in the 3D view.